Hello. Today we are going to discuss very interesting topic. We are going to discuss the Langchain documentation, how we can use Langchain with OpenAI model, how we can chat with our own data using OpenAI and Langchain. Okay, if you are watching my video first time, please subscribe to my channel and let's jump into the topic today. Okay, this is the Langchain documentation. Let me tell you how we need to use. Just type Langchain and go to the first link here. Go to Docs. So here you can see this is the Langchain web page. So here you can access all the things for our model. Okay. First thing you have to install the Langchain library. If you are using Python, just run this command and install Langchain. Okay, for quick start, let's see how we can set up the things. Okay, for Langchain, we have to install the library as I said. And if we want to use a Langchain with OpenAI, we have to use this package, Langchain OpenAI. And also, once you installed, just import this library in your Jupyter file or any Python environment and import the module. Okay, and also you have to specify your OpenAI key. Once you specify it, just here you can give your API key, and once you've given, you can ask any general questions to the LLM model. If you want to chat with your own data, that we have to use different things. Let me quickly show you how we can use that. So here you can see in the left hand side there are so many modules are there in Langchains are providing that we can use it that for our model. Okay, so for retrieval, first thing we have to extract the data. Okay, let me quickly show you how we can extract the data. Langchain retrieval, here you can just click the document loader. So here you can see it will support these kind of files: PDF, markdown, JSON, HTML, file directory, CSV file. So just I will just click the PDF. So here you can see we can just need to install the library and import the library and module. So here you can give your file name, whatever file you want to chat with or you want to extract. Once you extracted, you just load this command, load and split. So here you can see it will extract the document data along with the meta source. So it will specify your name, what is your file name, and also the page number. Okay, there are multiple modules are available, multiple different versions of PDF extractions are available. This is one of the type by PDF. Okay, once you loaded the data, just set the open API key. Once you set it, and here you can create our embeddings for our model. We can directly do we have two ways. One, we can directly chat with our text data, or else we can create OpenAI embedding for getting better responses. Okay, so here phases will be used here to save our embedding data. Okay, once the data is saved, you can ask any questions in your PDF file. This is for PDF, and if you want to chat with any CSV or CSV file, you can load this loader from the Langchain library, and you can follow the same step how it you can create embedding if you want, or else you can directly use that to OpenAI model for chatting. And also different file types also there, like directly loader. Here you can specify all the directions. In the direction, it will whether the type of data is, it will support all the type. Okay, and for HTML page, you can use unstructured HTML loader for extracting data from web page. And there are multiple ways for extraction. We can use Beautiful Soup. And for JSON data, here is the JSON data loader. You can extract data from the JSON file. And if you want to create an embedding, that also you can create. And then you can chat with your JSON data. Okay, for splitting, once you split it, in OpenAI, there are some limitations. What we can say is we have to create, once we created a data, we have to create a chunking before creating the embedding vector. So here you can give the chunking size. Let's say for example you have 5k of 5k tokens, 5k tokens in the sense 500 5000 words. Okay, so OpenAI embedding have some limitations for creating embedding, so it will support around 2049 I guess. Okay, so for that reasons we have to split a 5k into 2 2k or 1.5k 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 respectively. We have to split the data. For that purpose we can use recursive characters text splitter, or there are multiple splitters are available. You can try it out one by one and you can create split your data. Okay, you can split and then create the embedding. For creating embedding we can use vectors. Here you can see vectors. So once the data is loaded, split the data into chunks. So here one more parameter will come and then store the vector, create the vector and store the vector. So based on the query, first the query will convert that into vector query and then do search to the vector database, and then it will give the information which is most similar. This is how the vector embedding will work. Okay, and we have a lot of chain types. You can try one by one the chains, and also for agents also there and chains also there. If you want any memories or chat history, if you want to add, that also you can add conversational, customizing conversational memory. If you want to add any previous chat history, that also we can add. You can try it out here. And also callbacks, there are some callbacks also available. You can just go through the document and start your journey with Langchain along with OpenAI model.